So if your on-off switch has no effect between on and off and does nothing to stop the saw, if it stops working and your saw is still running, you can use the choke to stop the saw. To replace the switch, use a screwdriver and lever it out from the top. So just get in behind the plastic and lever it out. And that should free the switch. Then sometimes to disconnect the connectors, you can use a little pointer to get in onto the clips to move them off, to click in the little hole and move them off, and move it off. So with it disconnected, then you can swap it out and put the new switch in. So red, if you can see the red there, the red one, that's at the bottom. And clip that on, if I can get it on. So the red one's on. And move the plastic dust protector down and then clip that one on. So they're both on, and then push it back in and should be able to clip it in. And then that should be the on-off switch.